Her nation built on an idea, not of power but of freedom. The United States of America, where leadership defines destiny. Through wars, crises, and triumph, one role has shaped it all: the president. It all began in 1789. George Washington, a man who could have ruled like a king, but chose to serve like a citizen. He set a precedent, stepped down after power, not because he had to, but because democracy demanded it. Then came a time when the nation nearly tore itself apart. Abraham Lincoln stood at the center of chaos. Civil war, millions divided. But his vision was clear: a nation united. And through the Emancipation Proclamation, he didn't just save the Union, he redefined freedom. The 20th century brought new challenges: economic collapse, global war. Franklin D. Roosevelt faced both. Through the New Deal, he rebuilt hope. Through war, he led a nation to victory. And through his voice, he reminded Americans: the only thing we have to fear is fear itself. A new generation, a new vision. John F. Kennedy inspired a nation to dream beyond Earth. The space race, the Cold War, and a message that echoed through time: ask not what your country can do for you, because leadership begins with responsibility. Decades later, history was made again. Barack Obama became the first African-American president. It wasn't just a victory, it was a symbol of change, of progress, of possibility. His message was simple: hope can move a nation. Today, leadership faces a different battlefield. Politics, media, and public opinion collide. Donald Trump challenged traditional norms, while Joe Biden brought decades of experience to restore stability. Different styles, different visions, one nation, still evolving. From revolution to the modern world, America's leaders have shaped more than a nation. They've shaped history, because in the end, leadership is not about power, it's about legacy. If you enjoyed this journey through history, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Histo Poll. Stay curious, stay informed, because history isn't just the past, it shapes our future.